Okay, so we're just about to head out now to the ExCel, our first ever The Risk of You exhibition. Listen, risk is going places, and we, The Risk of You, we are taking risk to where it's never been. We're going to be at the exhibition, so come see us. Come check out what we're doing in risk, because we're taking risk places. We want to help you take risk and grow rich. That's what we're all about, helping you achieve your purpose. So stand R2380, first ever The Risk of You exhibition. I mean, come on, just show them what we're taking. This is everything. This is Claire. Claire, wait, but we are all set to go for the exhibition, and my goodness, it's been months of preparation, and it's not just all about trying to get new clients and all that stuff. We want to show people that they can really get massive rewards from risk, from taking risk the right way across all spectrum. So come see us, come check us out, come learn about risk, come see how that can add value to your life and business. Peace out. Okay, we're about to head off now. See you in London. So it's day one at the Retrain Expo. The Risk of You is here. We're exhibiting. Come check out our stand. Let's show you what we do, how we help businesses manage risk. And it's not risk about, oh sorry, I bumped into someone. Yeah, it's not the risk of bumping into someone, but it's the risk of how you can grow from where you are now to where you want to get to. So come check out our stand. Let's show you everything we do, how we're helping businesses gain opportunities, and turn those opportunities into rewards. That's the whole essence of risk. If you're focusing on risk and just spending money to resolve, then you're wasting money. You're not going to grow. So let's show you the right way to do risk. Risk is about giving you the growth you need. All right, so check us out now. Come on. So this is day one of the Retrain Expo. So we're here at our stand here, the Risk of You stand. We've got our team here. We've started the morning really good anyway, because it was really a hard time trying to get here yesterday. We had a flat tire, but we're here. We're all set up right, ready to go. Had a few good conversations and some interest. We'll see where it's going to go. This is what risk is all about. What have you found valuable from visiting our stand today? I know you said, what we do is quite unique, so tell me what you found really valuable today from listening to what we say, what we do.
I found valuable how this company transforms the current threats that organizations have, no matter how small or medium or large it is. All these businesses have their own threats and problems.
Yeah.
And I love how you guys transform that into something that can benefit the company, no matter how big they are or how small they are.
Nah, thank you for saying that. That's what we really do. That's what we're here to do. We're here to really help businesses gain rewards from how they manage the risk of them. So that's why I say the risk of you. The risk is you. Yeah, the risk is you. That's the name of the company. The risk is you. The risk is the company, is the person, and how you manage yourself determines whether you succeed or you don't succeed. Yeah. It's as simple as that, whether businesses like to hear that or not. It's not all about the threat, it's all about the rewards.
Yeah.
That's what risk is all about. So this is the importance of putting yourself out there. When you put yourself out there, you don't know who you're going to attract. So I've just met Dan, really fascinating guy, and we have synergies. He's also in risk management. Tell him what you do.
Work in security risk management, helping people reduce the risk and threats of terrorism in publicly accessible locations.
So this is how you take risk. So take risk, get out there, get your message out there. We're out here, we're making connections, and we're going to be doing some business together.
Forward to it.
Nice, fantastic, yeah. Cool. Everyone calls me Cheese for short. You can't forget my name, because if you have cheese on your toast, you can remember my name. And I'm here to talk to you today about risk. It's the ABC, the simplicity of risk, and how that applies to each and every one of you here. Risk is a person or an entity. An entity is a business, small, medium or large, with a purpose. When you set up a business, you set up a business for a purpose, to achieve a purpose, to succeed. And that is the risk. If you don't manage that business well, if you don't manage that startup properly, it's going to collapse. When you have things that distract you, you don't see opportunities. Any other question? Yes, please.
Is it classified, or are we all different and have advantages and inconvenience?
Very good question. Remember this. If you don't remember anything today, remember that you are the risk. And how you manage yourself determines the outcome you get.
We just have a really nice performance meeting with the founder of Risk of You. It has been a really good meeting, and we have learned that we need to have short-term goals, medium-term goals and long-term goals, and the risk is the opportunities that we would like to take, and as much as we would like to take is how successful you can become. So we need to get rid of all those vampire suckers that try to get all our energy away and just focus in our goals to make ourselves successful with the opportunities and make opportunities off the ground just for us. So it's really been very inspirational, and definitely I will read the book.
Yeah, so I think risk is something that comes and surprises you, something that you haven't got control of, and quite often something that sneaks up on you.
With every commercial business, there has to be risk. Without risk, there is no reward. But the difference is making sure that you know what the risks are driving your business in order to make educated decisions and the types of risk you're willing to take.
Hi, my name is Thomas Cohen, the CEO of the U Capital, a startup. What I have to say about risk is, if you don't take a risk, there is no reward. And you've got to minimize your risk as much as possible. It's really important. But still at the same time, you got to get out there, you got to take a chance and take a risk.
All right, so a risk is when you put everything you had on one thing and you believe in it and you go all the way.
So we're getting risky today, day 2. We're getting riskier and riskier and riskier and riskier, and that's what we do. We want to take the risk of you to people and let them know that they can gain massive rewards from risk. And that's what we're doing. We're doing it big, we're making it loud. I've got the hoodie on that says, let's get risky. That's my call to action to people today, to draw them to our stand, and we can talk to them more about how they can get so much growth and rewards from the way they manage risk. We've got the team right behind me. You got Claire, Leander, you guys wave to the camera, and we got T behind the camera, and we're gonna gate crash the other risk conference over there and show them how different we are. You know, so get ready. We're gonna gate crash the other conference and show them that we are different, and we'll tell them why we're not there. Okay? Peace out, guys. How do you manage risk? How do you manage risk for your business?
How do I manage risk for my business?
Yes.
In which particular area?
Any area.
First is maintain my own health.
Is your what?
Maintain my own health.
Oh wow, give me a hand please. I love that you said that, because if your health is not in shape, you're not going to grow.
There's nothing.
There's nothing. But how do you manage threat? Do you have control systems in your to manage the threat of tenants not paying you and things like that? So I've just been talking with David here, and he said something really important that businesses, companies need to know about when we talk about risk. And the most important thing, a lot of companies will have what they call their risk matrix.
Oh, yes.
They swear and live and die by the risk matrix. But you know what is it they need to focus on more?
Yeah, what they need to really focus on is that if you have a risk matrix, what's your opportunity matrix?
Absolutely.
What's the flip side of your risk?
Yes.
Because if you even think about ISO standards, every standard calls for you to look at risk and opportunity, and people focus so much on the negatives,
threat, on the negative,
without focusing on the positives, and the positives are always the value-added aspect of
That,
risk.
you know what,
That's where risk control and risk compliance.
You know what? This is where we do the mic drop now. We do the mic drop now because you just said you just hit the nail on the head, and that's what people need to focus on. Risk is all about growth. It's all about opportunity and getting the rewards out of it.
100%.
David, it's been a pleasure meeting you. I would love. We're going to talk again really soon.
Absolutely.
Yes, thank you for stopping by. Yeah, I will do. Absolutely. I'd love to come to Ireland and go to the Guinness factory.
Come to Guinness.
Come do some Guinness stouts.
I'm Belfast. Go to the Bushmills whiskey.
Oh, I'll come. Oh, you got me now. You got me now.
You
got me now. All right, David. It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much. Good. Yeah. So we're just going next door to Gatecrash, the Risk Conference, and we just found out that some of them are coming here because it's quite boring over there. So let's go shake it up and show them how to take risk. Okay? Let's go, guys. So we've just gatecrashed. We've just gatecrashed the Risk Conference, and super boring stuff taking place here. So we're here to cut a stare and show people that risk is all about you, and how you manage yourself determines whether you achieve your success or not. I'm going to be joining his newsletter, so he's going to send me some info. And check out that T-shirt. Check out that T-shirt. This is parental guidance warning. Yeah.
It's trying to be nice under the yellow hoodie.
Yeah, exactly. All right, nice to meet you. In the risk practice for 20 years, I've seen what works and what doesn't work. And this element I'm presenting to you now is based on research and designing this. This exhibition or this conference is the usual. It's traditional. It's what they do. But obviously we're different. We really are more practical about risk. And we are saying to people that the risk is you, and how you manage yourself determines the outcome you get. And this conference represents where we don't want to be. We're not in the old school of thought for risk. We're new school. We're risk takers. And we are helping people grow from taking risk. And that's what we're doing for ourselves as well. So we're heading back to our stand because someone is waiting to see me. So they've come back from yesterday, interested in our services, and we're going to help them grow. See you back there. So day two, we're about to wrap up. In a few moments, we're going to wrap up. So it's been an amazing day. My goodness, I've been on my feet all day. I've been talking and talking and talking. Yeah, it's been wonderful. Lots of really good leads, potential business opportunities as well. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to call the ones I know are going to that's going to translate into the value I want to get for my business. I've still got people looking at my stand. You can come talk to me. I've still got people looking at the stand even though we're about to finish. But that's the power of risk. We attract, and that's what we help you do. We want to help you attract the right opportunities. Risk is not all about managing the potential problem. The problem is not all about threats. When you understand the dynamics of risk, you can weather any storm, whether it's recession, COVID, or whatever. When you understand the dynamics of risk, you can adapt to any seasonal storms that affects you in your life or your business. So come talk to us. My name is Chase. You know who I am. I'm your risk champ. I'm also the host of your favorite podcast, the School of Risk podcast. Come talk to me. Pick up the call. Go on the website, www.theriskofyou.com. Come talk to us and let's help you grow. Peace out.